Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech with Ajmer. So friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you that how you can play Free Fire on your low end mobile without any problem. So please be sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'm seeing the minorities are subscribing and liking my videos, but the majority is not subscribing, and that's a very bad thing of you. So when we go to channels about, and we go to my views, 754 views, so that's very big views and I'm very happy, but you aren't subscribing to my YouTube channel, and that's a very bad thing of you. So please be sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get to the video. So the first thing you will need to do is go to the Play Store app and then click on install for only, and then click on one. When it goes to 1%, just cancel it, and then it will give you an option try now. Then click on try now, and then Green Free Fire Rampage instant app Google Play Instant is opening. So that's a copy version available by Free Fire, and it doesn't not involves any download or installation, and it doesn't involves the the backpack, anything. It only involves people, and see. And if you want to play it on your low end PC like Windows 7, 32-bit and 64-bit, then you have to install any Memu player, Android player, and then or Google Go, I think, like what do you call it, game loop, anything like that. Okay, so where is winning? I'm sorry, I didn't play this game. Okay, so these are all real players. So this involves only one gun. That doesn't provide a scope, because if you play downloaded Free Fire, it provides you scope with this gun, and this scope is really good of this gun, but that's not an installed version. So I think it's MP3 or any MP4. I don't really know, because I haven't played this game and I don't want to play it. Okay, so graphic quality, realism, and everything is so good. This is all Free Fire, and Free Fire gave uploaded this option try now. And don't think of them as bots, because they are real players. Okay, so it's a 2-minute survival game, and everything is so clear and realistic like Free Fire, but they also doesn't give you option and download. They only give on you download option. So Blu-rays, everything is so good, realistic. Blu-rays are so realistic in this Blu-ray. Okay, so this is the end page. Free Fire Booyah, download and get leather zip vest download. So please be sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.